We just doing a rewire in this house. So on this stage, I'm just putting a consumer unit. The meter is on other side of the corner. So through a fused isolator, we just run our tails line neutral earth through the joist, and on the back side of this cupboard, and the cables coming down here. So these are line neutral earth. So this is the polarity cable, is the blue and the brown and the earth. So here there are the two rings, the ring socket ring upstairs and the socket ring downstairs, the lighting downstairs and the lighting upstairs, smoke alarms. We're just doing an interconnected smoke alarm, the heat alarms in the kitchen, and the smoke alarms downstairs and smoke alarm upstairs, smoke alarms in the lobby. And by the way, just putting another smoke alarm in case here they all will be interconnected to the 58396 compliant, which will be the LD3 system. So our next stage is just putting a fuse box consumer unit. So this is 8 usable ways consumer unit. You can see on the lid here. So this is 8-way with SPD and the type 2 SPD here. Mostly people they use the RCD board, where we try to put the type A RCBO with SPD. So this is the SPD and this is the MCB for the SPD, and this is the main switch. And then we're putting some breakers, 32 amp breakers, 232 amps for both socket rings, and the 2 6 amps breaker for the lighting upstairs downstairs. And for the smoke alarm we're putting another 6 amp breaker, and for the radial circuit for the socket in the loft we're just putting 16 amps and the 6 amp breaker for the lighting in the loft. So our next plan is just to unscrew the box, and we're using the back entry for the cables. So in here in the box there are the protective sheet for the bus bar, and this is the contents for this board, the bus bar inside and the labels. Yeah, so we're using the back entry. We're just making a 2 note holes here, and probably maybe we need to use 1, or let's see, maybe we need to use 2. So we just erect the consumer unit, and then after that we'll show you in a second. Thank you.